Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a welcome bot. First, select a platform that offers robust welcome bot features, such as Discord, Slack, or a website chat service. Next, navigate to your server or workspace settings. Look for the Integrations or Bots section, which is typically found in the Administrative panel. This is where you will initiate the bot's configuration. Now, let's craft your perfect welcome message. Make it friendly and informative, perhaps including a brief introduction to your community or service. You can add important links, such as community guidelines or frequently asked questions. Many platforms allow you to use placeholders, like user.name, to automatically personalize the greeting for each new member, making them feel truly welcomed. Next, you'll define when and where your welcome bot activates. Determine the trigger event, usually when a new user joins your server or group. Then, choose the specific text channel or chat where the welcome message will be posted. Some platforms offer an option to set a delay, perhaps 5 or 10 seconds, before the message appears, ensuring a smoother onboarding experience for new arrivals. Finally, it's crucial to test your welcome bot thoroughly. Have a friend or colleague join to confirm the message appears as intended and all links work. Regularly review its effectiveness and consider feedback from new members. Update your welcome message every few months or as your community evolves, ensuring it remains helpful and engaging for everyone who joins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.